As jewellers, we often get to a certain point in our business where we need to push forward to the next stage, and we can't always see ourselves what's holding us back. So let's take a look at the typical barriers to growth and how we can overcome them.
I don't have enough time to do it all.
Do you have this problem? Trust me, you're not alone. But busy is not a badge of honour, and you don't need to stay stuck in not having the time. Solving this problem comes down to two simple things. Firstly, focus. Stop trying to do everything at once and focus on one thing at a time. I'm going to say it again because it's crucial. One thing at a time. You may run this business for 10, 20, 30 years or more. You have time. It's only the illusion that we have to get it all done today, this week, this month, or even this year that's hurting you. Slow down to speed up. Focus on one area of your business at a time and give it 100% your all. This requires sacrifice, saying no to opportunities. It isn't easy, but it is worth it. The second thing, don't do it all yourself. No successful business has all of its operations done by one person, not even small ones. So if you haven't already, start thinking about jobs you can outsource. And if you have, then it's time to start hiring. No matter how small you are, there are things people can help you with. And for larger companies, we look continuously at how we can train other people to do what you're currently doing that frees you up to grow the business. So you can stop acting like the busy intern doing all the work with no room for strategy or growth. Okay, problem solved. Next.
What if my jewellery's not good enough?
Keep learning. Always be learning. Learning is the cornerstone to growth. No one believes their jewellery is good enough because as makers, we're always trying to improve. But no matter how new you are to jewellery making, you can run a successful business. The best jewellers are not necessarily the most profitable. Running a thriving business is a skill you can learn. If you wait until you're a master jeweller to start selling, it will take twice as long. So don't listen to any voice in your head that says you may not be good enough. Listen to this. You are enough. Your jewellery is enough. And what you have to offer is more than enough. When you believe this, your jewellery will start to sell. And the exciting part is, no matter how good you are at jewellery making, there's always more to learn. This is a passion, a journey of lifelong exploration. Book in training days each year to help you develop. Spend time improving your skills. Investing in yourself is always the best investment you can make, as these skills will stay with you. So in short, your jewellery is always good enough, but keep training and improving and you will never be stuck. So now we know we're enough and we're going to keep training to improve. Problem solved. Next.
I don't like doing online marketing, emails, the things that are working.
Yes, I know, what a pain. Sometimes the things that we know work are just a bit tedious and frankly, we don't want to do them. But guess what? You don't have to love every moment in your business to be doing something you love. And once you start to see the results, you may start to love them just a little bit anyway. As business owners, we need to be open to trying new things, to taking risks, to working through the discomfort of the parts of our business we don't enjoy. That means we get to live this incredible life, running this incredible business that we do enjoy. And plus, don't you owe it to yourself to put the work in? You may have spent years training in your craft. You may have come up with the most beautiful designs, and you have unlimited potential. Don't waste it because something's hard or uncomfortable. You deserve to grow, and your handmade work deserves to be seen. If we can't see it, then we can't buy it. So roll up those sleeves, get yourself out there, and learn to love the parts of your business that may be a bit of a push to enjoy. I've always found when I go all in, giving 100% to any area of my business, I begin to love that part. The grass is greener where you water it, so give this thing your all. Final point on this one. No career path is 100% pleasurable. Whatever you choose, there'll be ups and downs, good days and bad days. At least when you choose to do something you love, it's worth it. So let's get going and do what needs to be done to run this business that means you get to do what you love. Problem solved. Next.
But I can't charge that much.
Fear of overcharging or even undercharging is a big one that comes up for us makers. Remember, what you're selling is handmade. It's a form of luxury product. We're not selling loo roll. Therefore, we don't compete on price. Instead, we build a community and a brand that attracts our ideal customers, so price is not even in the conversation. Instead, they're on the edge of their seats, desperate to see what's coming out in your new collection, and excited to see new work from you. We know that people buy from people they know, like, and trust, and they need an average of 7 contact points with us before they're ready to buy. So charge as much as you like. The real work is not in getting your pricing right, but in getting to connect with your customers. So we're connecting with our customers and they can't wait to see what we're putting out next. Problem solved. Next.
Running your own business doesn't bring security.
What does? Whatever path you choose, there's risk. At least when you choose to do something you love, it's worth the risk. Am I right or am I right? Remember that failure is a lie. It's a feeling, not a reality. There'll be times when you're down in this business, and that's when we pick ourselves right back up. It's not always easy, but it will be worth it. A quick task for you. Get a piece of paper and draw a line down the middle. And on one side, write all the obstacles to your growth. So these are all your beliefs, anything that could get in the way. Get them all out there and write them all down. Then on the other side, I want you to act as if you're your best friend or someone who cares about you, and write all the reasons why this is not actually a problem. This is a great exercise because it gets all of those self-limiting beliefs out there and combats them all in one go. So give it a try. Whatever your challenge, you can do this. Join me in the next video when we'll be looking at planning for the growth we want. And I'll be sharing a great exercise that will help you get clarity on how to do that.